Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your headset supports hand tracking and Roblox is up to date. First, enable hand tracking in the headset OS so the device provides raw hand data. Next, open Roblox and toggle any experimental VR features because Roblox reads those flags to accept hand input. Once done, grant the headset permission to share cameras and sensors with apps. That unlocks the pipeline for Roblox to detect fingers, gestures, and positional data. Once the foundation is ready, you configure Roblox to use hand input. In VR settings, select hand or hand plus controllers depending on preference. Then run the in-game calibration. This maps your wrist, palm, and finger joints to the avatar so gestures translate naturally. Make sure to perform slow, deliberate poses during calibration. Rushing causes mismatches. Afterward, tweak sensitivity, reach distance, and gesture thresholds to reduce jitter and accidental grabs, because small adjustments drastically improve interaction reliability. To finish, you run a sequence of practical tests. Grab objects, pinch small items, open menus with gestures, and move through space to confirm tracking fidelity. If you see clipping, lag, or phantom inputs, first recalibrate. If that fails, restart the headset and Roblox because the sensor stream often needs a fresh handshake. Also, check lighting and reflective surfaces. They confuse optical tracking. If problems persist, update headset drivers and toggle experimental VR flags to reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.